Hello, crypto world. What an interesting Wednesday, and there's a lot of lessons here. Okay, CPI was worse than was expected. Interest rates spiked. Dow Jones was down almost 500 points. But as the day went on, it rallied back up. And most importantly for us in crypto land, the tech-heavy NASDAQ, which was also down when the CPI came out, I think more or less 0.75%, it rallied back to basically unchanged. And crypto, which had been showing relative strength, but not being down very much for crypto, rallied all the way up across the board. And this is directly related to the fact that the dollar, which had been up, started to sell off. And you can see this. When the news came out about the CPI, it went up to 108.5, and then it started to back off, and here it is now. And that is, if you will, confirming the relative strength of crypto, and crypto went up as the dollar drops down. The Bitcoin chart couldn't be clearer. Look at how low Bitcoin got to 94,100. And then as the dollar sold off and as the market seemed to, I'm not going to say shrug off, but not give as much concern to the one CPI number, look at this. Bitcoin rallied up, trading 97,200 now. And the same phenomenon happened in gold. It's up. It was down rather a great deal, and it rallied up as the dollar cratered. And today, if you will, confirms a trading strategy, and I'm not recommending this, I'm just describing this as a strategy that many people use. When an asset is showing relative strength to what other markets are in response to data that should affect it differently than is being affected, many short-term traders go long the relative strength asset, put a short stop in it, and then if the relative strength asset outperforms the others, they make money quickly, and their risk is always very little because they have a small stop. But bottom line, this is a wonderful way for crypto to respond, and this is a positive sign. And while I am still kind of nervous about the altcoins, I feel as if Bitcoin is acting so well and leading the market so well. What can I say? It looks like if we get any real positive news soon, we could take off. Now, one quick thing I have to mention is, remember the SEC and Binance agreed to pause their lawsuit, and the SEC in the filing said the reason was we have new people coming in at the SEC who may take a different approach. This is very positive, and I think it's not may take a different approach. I believe the President of the United States has told the SEC, and he's hired people to, if you will, regulate crypto rationally, and we hope we're getting the strategic reserve, all of which can only be beneficial for crypto, in my opinion. But we don't know what's going to happen because the drama queen crypto can do anything. But today was a really positive sign and underlined how important relative strength is.